Kain na tayo guys. Good morning. Meron tayong menudo galing sa Mexican restaurant. Meron tayong
Mexican, just like your bestest husband.
yeah.
Mexican.
Menudo. If everybody knows menudo, huh?
Yeah.
This is from tribe. Tribe, habe? Our menudo, and this one is a little corn.
No.
It has a little bit corn here.
No.
Yeah, let's go eat. And then, of course, we have to put some cilantro and lemon. Menudo, guys, is with hamani.
That's the white.
It's a little corn. Good morning. It's still morning because it's only 11 o'clock. And this one is menudo, guys. Very delicious menudo. Everybody knows menudo. Menudo is not in the Philippines. So we're gonna put some. My husband is Mexican, but he doesn't eat menudo. Onion.
I do eat menudo.
Can you help me eat this one? So we have
So you guys tripe, right?
Cilantro, guys. Cilantro, huh? It's
Tripe.
a tripe, yeah. And then lemon. Lime. Lime, right? Then, okay. Mix it well. I wish my husband will help me eat with this one.
You want a bowl?
It's like that. Carl's not gonna eat that. Just eat that one. We have purple rice.
All right.
And we have tortilla. You want some tortilla, babe? So we have tortilla. This one is corn. I don't know where to put the tortilla. Maybe like this.
So big.
Thank you. And
The tortilla is not for the menudo.
we have sardines.
That's not a menudo.
This is not menudo, this is sardines. So like this. Like this. I don't know why they give me this.
So just like in the Philippines,
Yeah.
in Mexico, they don't have a fork and a knife.
Ah.
In the Philippines, they use their hand. So, when you have your bowl or plate, and there's still some liquid, there's still some gravy, there's still some sauce, you use the tortilla to get all the sauce off the plate.
Wow. And I don't know what is this. Oh, maybe that's seasoning.
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know what's that.
You tell me.
Like a flour. And then this one is flex. Is pepper flakes, and this one is
this is oregano.
Oregano, and this one is oil. Is a spicy oil, so we don't need this one because it's already spicy. So this is good. You should try it.
It's oregano and cayenne pepper, I think.
Sardines.
You have a lot of food. You're not going to eat all that.
No, I'm not gonna eat all of this. I'm just eating. I have the whole bowl, the whole pot of menudo.
My favorite part is the hominy. I like the hominy.
I think I need to put this oil, spicy oil.
You make it too spicy for you.
Yeah. Are we going somewhere today? I don't know. I might come for again. I could not find anybody today.
Huh?
I might
You better go to sleep.
later. We don't have menudo in the Philippines. Menudo is it's a Mexican, Spanish, El Salvadorian. Mexican?
Mexican.
Oh, Mexican. Mexican soup is loaded of tripe, beef tripe, beef.
And then, what's your verdict?
It's good. This is my first time I bought it at El Sorito, huh?
Alberto's.
Alberto.
Alberto's.
Adeberto. My rice.
So you like the menudo? You always like soup.
So good, guys, huh? I learned this one in Sacramento to eat this.
And how to make it?
This is Gina Mauricio favorite soup. She always buy this menudo. Shout out to Gina Mauricio. I have menudo.
You need another spoon?
No.
Wife is hungry.
Huh?
My wife is hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since yesterday.
I know. I can tell.
The last time I ate, that was like the burrito yesterday. What time was that?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock in the afternoon, and that was it.
Yeah, so that was...
And I ate one banana last night.
12 and 20 hours ago. 20 hours ago was the last time you ate.
20
You wanna know how much I ate since then?
20 hours ago I ate, so I'm hungry.
I was eating my half a burrito at 10 o'clock at night after I work out.
God.
My metabolism
I
is...
can't eat like that.
Do you see? That's what I tell you. In the Philippines, I'm starving. I need my food all the time.
This one called rice called tortilla. Sometimes tortilla made of flour. Sometimes made of corn. This one is corn. Yeah. Yesterday my breakfast, 2 eggs. My lunch at 3 o'clock, burrito. And then this is the next meal I ate. I'm hungry.
Why are you starving my wife?
I didn't mean so.
Don't
I have-
starve my wife.
Sardines. I have sardines too.
It's not your wife, it's my wife.
But you're gonna try, you guys, menudo. Try the menudo. Any Filipino try menudo. If anybody taste menudo, raise your hands.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hands if you have tried menudo. But as I said, I never seen this food in the Philippines. Menudo. my purple rice. Actually, this one is a red rice, and then I did not eat that long, so I put it in the freezer. When I take it out, it looks purple. My husband doesn't eat menudo.
Yeah? What does your husband do now?
Have you tried this ever?
Oh yeah, many times.
How come you don't eat?
Because I don't want right now.
Oh.
You enjoy it.
Busog na ako. I'm full now.
There's the shocker.
Tortilla. Nagutom tayo guys because we were working last night. And then, later on, I'll sleep. Ooh. It's kind of scary. Eat and sleep. Not good. I don't know what is the meat from cow.
Yeah.
So this is like familiar of barbacoa, but this is well seasoned. Delicious. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys for our vlog today. You guys eat menudo. Get your menudo and have some. Try it. Why not, huh? Thank you guys. Bye-bye.